Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to K2 Blogging, and let's check how you can create a Lorem Ipsum generator in your WordPress website. So as you can see, I have created a tools like this. So if you go to TechLib, go to tools, then you will find this tool Lorem Ipsum generator. Here you can see we have a domain text like this. So you can generate Lorem Ipsum. So let's say I want to generate 4 paragraphs, then I can select the 4 here. So you can select the paragraphs like this. Now you can set the average words per sentence, so it will show the average words per sentence, and then you have the average sentence per paragraphs. So you can control all these options like this. Now you can just copy this content. So this is helpful if you are designing a website, and if you are designing a layout, then you can just copy the Lorem Ipsum, and once the design is complete, later you can replace the text with your original content. So let's check how you can create this type of tool in WordPress. So let me quickly install the theme and plugin for that. So let's go to appearance, click on theme, let's click on add theme, and let's quickly install the Cadence theme. Now let's go to plugins, click on add plugin, search for Cadence blocks, install and activate this plugin. Alright, now let's go to pages, and let's create a new page. Now let me set the title as Lorem Ipsum generator, and we need to make some changes to the page layout. So for this, let me click on that. Let me hide the page title. Let me set it to full width, and I will set it to on box, and I will disable the vertical spacing. Now let's click on row layout, and let's add a row layout here. Let me click on this. Now we need to add a custom HTML block. Let me copy the tools HTML code, and I will paste it here. Now you need to make some changes. So before that, let me quickly publish this and check how it looks in the front end. So let me click on page, and you can check the slug, and let's hit publish. Now let's click on view page. And as you can see, our Lorem Ipsum generator tool is now added. Now you can use this tool, just copy this text, and you can just paste it anywhere else. So this is how the tools work, and it is pretty easy to install the tool. Now you can see a button, report a bug. So if I click on here, it will go to your contact us page. So for this, you need to change the contact URL here. So you can see we have added a contact us page URL. So just replace it with your contact us page, and that's it. So let me know if you face any issue during setup of this tool. So here you can make some changes, like you can set, if you click on reset, by default the paragraph count is 3, words per sentence is 12, and average sentence per paragraph is 4. So you can change all these values, and if you refresh this page, you can see a default value like paragraph count is 5, average word per sentence is 12, and average sentence per paragraph is 5. So you can change all these values using the code. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, you can see the default value. So the minimum value is set to 5, and the maximum value is set to 25, and the default value is set at to 12 for average words per sentence. And paragraph count, so the default value is 3. So you can change all these values. So let me refresh it, and you can see all these default values. So you can change all these options: paragraph count, average words per sentence, and average sentence per paragraph. So you can change all these values here. Now you can click on reset, and you can change all these values. So you can see paragraph count is set to 3. So if you click on the reset button, then all these default values will be reset, and you can see the paragraph count is 3, words per sentence is 12, and sentence per paragraph is 4. So you can change all these values from this code. So if you face any issue during the setup process, then you can ask me in the comment section, and I will include the link to download this source code in the pinned comment. So make sure to check it out, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.